Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my new multi-function power station. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. And before we do, check this out. It's got a portable jump starter. You can charge it through solar panels. It has built-in LED bars. It's got an air compressor. It's got DC power ports, USB ports. It's got a lot. So let's go and actually take a look at it. Alright, here it is. Check that out. It's got the user manual right here. You are able to charge it through your car cigarette lighter port, as well as to your wall outlet. And then different attachments for the air compressor as well. All right, so let's actually look at some of the features. So you can lay it like this, and this is where the solar panels are. So if you wanted to use the air compressor, you just have to hit this button right here, and it's literally good to go. If we wanted to use the jump starter option, we'll go ahead and take this part off. Just like that. And then same thing for this side. And then we would hook this up to our battery. We would switch this to on, and then it's literally ready to go. My battery isn't dead right now, but as you can see, it's got really nice cables, thick cables on there. And they're, like I said, super simple to use. Literally just switch it to on and you're good to go. And then on, if we wanted to use the LEDs right here as lights, we can just hit this button right here. And then you could use this as a light, have it just set there. As you can see, that's how the lights look. Very cool. So if you need lights, if you're going camping or anything, this would come in handy. Or even just for something like in here, you can set it down like this, hook up to your battery or anything that you need to do like that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and switch the lights off and just show you this top piece right here. So it's got power inverter and USB. So if you wanted to actually send power to them, you literally just flick the lights that way and you could hear it powering on. So let's go ahead and actually hook something up to it just to see if it works. Let's say you guys wanted to use a USB up top. We'll go ahead and hook something up to it. And we'll hit USB and it'll light up that one right there. All right, and there you go, charging right up. And then if we wanted to use a more standard plug, then we'll go ahead and use the other option. We'll plug that in there. Now let's get our iPad going. And there it is as well. So that's very cool. So if you guys need any kind of like smaller household electronics, needing some power, if you, especially you guys are out camping or anything like that, this would come in handy. So as you can see, very simple to use, just depending on what you need. Just hit that switch and then you're good to go. And then one thing that I do want to point out, it does have a fuse right here in case you ever need to replace that. And then if you wanted to check the battery level for the entire power station, all you have to do is hit this button right here. As you can see, it lights up and lets you know exactly how much this battery is charged. So like I said, very cool, neat feature right there. All right, and the last part that I do want to show was the 1000 PSI air compressor, and it's right back here. Just like that. Like I said, it does have the different tips. So check this out. I do have a football here. Like I said, probably more convenient with like your tires or something like that. But in the off chance that you need it for something like this, they do send the adapter for it. So let's go ahead and actually turn it on. And you do have, and you're able to check the gauge right here to make sure that you're not overdoing it. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. And bam, just like that, it is ready to go. So like I said, a lot of very cool features on here. It's basically an all-in-one power station with a portable jump starter, the air compressor, the lights, the plugs up top. So if you guys are looking for a new multifunctional power station, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.